It's today Wednesday. You're gonna have this today. I think you need it. Take the other one so you have a nice warm hand and fingers. I got this is called the remote engine start. Was living in Milwaukee. It's gonna be cold, but today you can start up the car. I'll show you how it works. I do have a pilot there. Even if it's locked, you can lock it. And you hold this little circle for 5 seconds. It's gonna start. So before you leave your house, you get in the car, it'll be nice and warm. There's a couple things that you can allow. I'm gonna put up the vehicle for you, so give me 1 second here, okay? All right, it's Weather Wednesday over at Honda City. How you like this vehicle here? Now, this is an elite pilot. Starting the vehicle, it's gonna have heated seats. But one thing you're gonna love about this vehicle has heated steering wheel. It's gonna be nice and warm. If you have the gloves on, if you don't, you can notice you shivering. It's cold. That's the steering wheel. It's gonna be nice and warm. I'll show you. Come on over. So let me see. Has a heated steering wheel. If the vehicle is running, you put your hand here, it's nice and warm. That's one thing you have about this car. But the other thing you got heated windshield. If it's running, everything will be melt out. You don't have to scrape the vehicle. Isn't that nice? It's a good feature to have, isn't it? This is a vehicle I want to see you. Maybe this time of the year is the perfect time for heated windshield, heated steering wheel, and remote engine start. Lots of room in here. Let me show you. Something fell apart. No, I'm just kidding. This is called rear cargo privacy. I'm gonna put my gloves in my pocket. It's like Christmas season. You may be shopping. This is called cargo privacy. You can put it in the back. Everything is hidden in there. Somebody's speaking in, nobody can see. Cargo privacy here. So, and also we have another feature. It's called hands-free access tailgate. I didn't do anything. It magically opens. I'm gonna put this back inside. Hey, how you like this? You got a Green Bay. We're gonna go tailgating. It's gonna be nice. How you like it? I don't know. I took my gloves. Okay, this is a good day. It's 32 degrees today. It's nicer than tomorrow. It's gonna be 17. But we'll see you next Wednesday. So long.